Hey guys, this is Dr. Marino. We're looking at the Virtual Proteins Lab. It's lab number 9 in your lab manual. Remember, you will do a full-length lab report for this lab. Talk to your lab instructor for the format and structure of your lab report, and check out the syllabus as well. It'll be on there. So what we're doing in this lab, we're going to look at different parts. We're going to look at different pieces of proteins. Denaturation, we'll talk about what that means in a second. You're going to check out the observations in the different videos. You're going to make your observations known on your data sheet, which you could find in the lab manual. Make sure to just write your answers on your data sheet. Again, it's in the lab manual. And each part, we're going to check out the different observations, and then you're going to make conclusions and discuss these different things in your lab report. So let's talk about proteins. Proteins are polymers made from the 20 amino acids in the body. So they differ in characteristic and function. There's different types of proteins, and this depends on the order of amino acids. So let's say you have a specific order of amino acids. You could be collagen, which is a structural protein. Collagen is what gives structure to tendons and cartilage in the body. So sometimes proteins provide structure, or sometimes proteins are enzymes, right? They have biological function. So there's all different types of proteins and what they do depending on the order of amino acids. If the order of amino acids is switched up, you could have a genetic mutation, right? So we'll talk about that in the proteins chapter. So proteins are made up, I said, of the 20 amino acids. What are amino acids then? Well, amino acids are molecular building blocks of proteins. Take a look at the structure here on the left. We have what's called an alpha carbon in the middle. We will have a nitrogen with 3 hydrogens on the left. This is assuming that it has a charge. It depends on the pH, whether this will have a charge or not. You have a carboxylic acid or carboxylate ion on the right. Again, it depends on what the pH is, whether it's the ion form or it's a regular carboxylic acid. And then the most important part, I should say, of the amino acid would be your R group. Now, the 20 different amino acids